Hello lovely people, I hope you're all well watching this video. Welcome to my latest video on my channel where I'm going to deep organise, reset and tidy my boys' bedrooms. They are in desperate need of it, so I'm going to take the afternoon to make sure that they are thoroughly organised and tidied up. It's just, yeah, they've got in a bit of a state and I just want them sorted out. So I'm going to start in my eldest son's bedroom, Leo. He's 5 years old. This is his bedroom. Yes, he is into Pokemon. If you hadn't have guessed, Pokemon and Spider-Man absolutely everywhere. But the place I want to start is his wardrobe. It's just really in need of a good shake-up. But firstly, I'm going to put in his new uniform for the new term. I'm filming this in August, so in a couple of weeks he will be back to school, ready for a new year, and I've got all of his new uniform. So I want to organise it all, hang it up and sort it all ready for the new term. I'm also going to get his old uniform, which I've just been keeping in here, and I'm going to sort through this. I'm going to sort what I'm going to donate and what will not be able to be donated, what still fits, what doesn't fit, etc, etc. Just have a really good sort through. So back in the box, I'm going to put his spare PE shoes, his, PE spare tops, shorts, because you don't always wear shorts, they're just for when it's particularly warm, which in this British weather isn't that often. So yeah, miscellaneous uniform bits and bobs are going to go in here. Right, I'm going to pull out each of these boxes on the side of his wardrobe. They each have different things in, which are normally very organised, but it's got to the state where they are just sort of, everything's thrown in. So I'm going to take out one box at a time. The first box here is his joggers, and I'm going to take out each pair, I'm going to roll them up and put them neatly back inside. I love rolling the boys' clothes. Actually, I roll my own clothes as well. I just think it's a really neat way to see exactly what you've got. Nothing gets hidden underneath, and it's really easy to pick what you want to wear and no clothes get left behind. So I'm literally going to repeat this with each box. I think this box is shorts, the next box I think is jeans, and then there's pajamas at the bottom. Literally finding jeans that are aged 3 to 4. My son is 5. I mean, he is quite small, but wow, yeah, this was long overdue. So while I'm sorting the pyjamas, and so many pyjamas are going to be donated as well, because yeah, it's been a long time that I've needed to sort through this box. But with pyjamas, I always put the top out like this, and then I put the bottoms inside of the top. So I always keep the top and the bottoms together. It's just a really quick and easy way to organize your pajama box, drawer, whatever it might be. Okay, into his underwear drawer now, which has two little organisers within it, but it's got so messy in here that really the organisers have just become pointless. So I'm going to empty them out completely. These are all of his school socks, obviously the black ones, but some of them have got holes in where they've just been worn for the past year. So I'm going to sort through those, and I've got some fresh black socks to go in there as well. I've also got him some new pants to start the school year and everything. So I'm really going to sort through what has just had its day, what can stay, and all of the new bits and pieces as well. He also has this neat little organiser in his desk here, which has football bits and swimming bits in it, and I've just got to put away some football socks in here. Before I move on to my next job, I'm just going to grab his basket, his washing basket, take it downstairs, put it in the utility room, ready to be put onto the wash. Okay, the next thing I want to do is sort out this Primark bag. I went to Primark for the boys, I believe the day before I filmed this, got them loads of stuff. So I'm going to sort it into two piles, a pile for Leo, pile for Cooper, and get them ready to be put away. Okay, time to go into Cooper's room now. Cooper is 1 year old if you're new here, and this is his nursery. First thing I'm going to do is obviously tidy up the floor so I'm not constantly walking around toys and bits. I'm just going to get everything out of the way. Obviously he's joining me. He's actually been joining me for the entire duration of this video, but this is the first time you've seen him. So the first thing I want to do is go into his wardrobe. This is his pajamas, and oh my gosh, do I need to sort through these. So many sleep suits. He rarely even wears sleep suits anymore, and most of these are like 2 sizes too small. I can't believe I've left it this long to sort through them. I have a baby nephew, so all of the sleep suits are going to go to him. A couple of them are his size, so I'll keep those. So it's really just a pile of donate and keep, basically. Now that I'm putting his pajamas back inside, like I said before, I always put the bottoms within the top, or if it's a sleep suit, I will roll it up, and I'm going to put them really neatly in there so I can see exactly what I've got to choose from, and there's no messy piles. Next, I'm going to take out his vests, which again, I don't know how I've let it get like this. I usually love rolling, but I guess I just haven't bothered for a while. I'm going to take out each vest and I'm going to roll it up and put it back into the tray.
I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away.
I also just want to quickly sort out his socks. I'm just going to tidy these shoes up a little bit as well. His socks, some of these socks are so tiny. I don't know why I've still got them. Some of them are so small and have never even been worn, so they can definitely be donated. So I'm just going to sort through all of these socks and just keep the ones that still fit. And I'm just going to put away all of those new Primark clothes that you saw me sorting out, but Cooper has a real habit of shutting doors. He just loves to shut a door, so having the wardrobe open and trying to put things away is a little bit of a task when he's around. While I'm here, I'm just going to change his crib sheet as well. I change his crib sheet quite frequently, more frequently than I change Leo's bedding, I would say. I think Cooper's a bit of a dribbly sleeper, so every few days I like to change it and put a fresh one on.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.
And same as I did in Leo's bedroom, I'm going to grab his washing basket and take it downstairs, ready to be washed. So the next thing I want to do is polish. I love the Fabulosa multi-surface polish. I'm going to use that one, and I'm just going to wipe down all of the surfaces in the boys' rooms that have just been gathering dust, pick up all the bits, make sure that no dust is left behind, and also these polishes smell amazing. They make the room smell really fresh and clean. Leo has so many little trinkets and display things that he puts away very specifically, so I have to be very careful, but polishing in his room takes forever.
Yeah, let's go, be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go, let's be free with me. Yeah.
Cooper doesn't have half as many surfaces in his room, so thankfully this is quite a quick job.
Do you miss me at all?
And the last thing I want to do is hoover. I'm just going to thoroughly hoover the carpets in here. I love to do a good hoover line. It makes me feel like the room is finished and it's come to a close when I see those satisfying hoover lines. So I'm going to do those in both the rooms, and then I know that I am done for the day. It has literally taken me all day. I think you've even seen me have an outfit change. I started the video with wet hair. It's literally taken me on and off all day to get this done, because that's what it's like when you've got kids at home. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you lovely people in my next video.
Inexplicable.